SPGC, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Saks Parente Gold stock, it's 71 cents and it is 8.4% up. So where the heck are we heading next is the question. I want to be perfectly honest and perfectly clear. For me, this looks like this, right? It's a bullish range. And it's still a bullish range because inside a demand, but here I was looking to buy only if there was a double break met, which obviously was not met. Like the rule wasn't met because we only just broke once and then came down. Because that happened, I abandoned the ticker and just didn't look at it, you know. I looked at other ticker symbols that are far more juicier, and yeah, I mean here it's still a bullish range. So again, unless I see my rules met, me trying to buy here, just trying to force something to happen, but it's like not even supposed to happen. I mean, I'm not gonna tell the universe that it must go up. If it does give me the rules, then I'm pulling the trigger, you know. So I'm kind of bending the reality in my way. So yeah, I mean, waiting for the rules to be met. If it starts breaking even lower than beneath 62 cents, then this is going to be deleted. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.